The DeLonghi Pinguino line of versatile, portable air conditioners provide powerful, quiet room cooling while helping to lower your energy bills. Rather than cooling your entire home, they move easily from room to room and set up quickly. Units should be set up near any window in a room, allowing the hose to vent the room's hot and humid air outside. All DeLonghi Pinguino air conditioners are engineered to circulate cool, comfortable air inside, exhaust hot air to the outside, and remove excess moisture in the air to reduce high humidity discomfort. Unlike window units, portability allows you to move the appliance through the house, cooling the room you're in. And choosing a portable AC means your interior and exterior won't suffer the unattractive results of a typical window installation. Unboxing is easy, and DeLonghi includes all accessories needed to install your unit. DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioners offers features like models that include Whisper Cool mode for 50% less noise so you can watch TV or sleep. And Real Feel mode combines temperature and humidity reduction for optimal comfort. All season models with built-in heat pumps take the chill out of cool mornings and evenings. Models that use R410A refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly with zero ozone depletion. All models also feature exclusive no-leak technology to efficiently cool the unit by recirculating excess moisture collected during cooling with no water tank to empty. Quick and easy setup with no tools required, and all attachments are included in the box. Operate the air conditioner using the soft touch buttons on the control panel or remote. The power button turns the machine on or off. Use the increase and decrease buttons to control the temperature up or down. Use the mode button to toggle to the comfort option you desire: cooling, dehumidifying, fan, and heat on select models. To cool the room, choose cooling mode, then control the temperature by pressing the increase or decrease buttons. Select dehumidify mode to remove dampness from the air. Choose fan mode to use the fan only. Use the fan speed button to select from low for bedtime and TV time, medium for maintenance, or high for a quick cool down when you first arrive home. On select units, you can also choose heating mode for cool nights and mornings. The timer can be used to select AC startup or shutdown time. With the air conditioner plugged in, but not running, press the timer button. Choose how many hours before you want the AC to turn on. Press the timer button again to confirm the selection. For shutoff, press the timer button while running. Select the time and press timer again. The compact DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioners work in the most efficient way possible to cool, dehumidify, fan, or heat your environment. To cool the room, hot air is pulled in through the rear vents, cooled, and released into the room. To dehumidify, the appliance draws moisture from the air and dry air is released. The fan facilitates air freshening and cooling on hot days. For units with a heat pump, cool air is pulled in through the rear vents, warmed, and released into the room to take the chill out of cool mornings and evenings. Whisper Cool mode delivers 50% less noise for a quieter cool. For optimal efficiency, run the unit on high power to cool the room, then switch to Whisper Cool mode for quiet operation while sleeping or watching TV. Unique Real Feel mode continuously monitors the room's relative humidity and temperature for you, then automatically adjusts the compressor and fan speed as needed to guarantee optimal comfort. The BioSilver air filter traps dust and particles and prevents mold, mildew, and bacteria from growing on the filter, keeping unwanted odors out of the room. DeLonghi's line of Pinguino portable air conditioners lets you master climate control in your favorite indoor environments.